On your mobile device, either iPhone or Android phone, go to App Store or Play Store. Search for Microsoft Power Apps and install it. Once installed, open it. Sign in with your school email. Click on all apps. You will see student MBRSG Student App. Click on the three dots, pin it to home and add it to your home screen. Click on the three dots again and tab on Open at Startup. This is how you have installed the app. So in the app you will find all the essential links related to your studies, which includes Blackboard, Quirkus Student Information System, Library Resources Search, MBRSG publications, ebooks, e-journals, and smart learning platform, Arabic resources, your timetables, etc. Thank you.